This vendor and client verification process is an extremely unique offering that we are offering from Resource. We are using our proprietary platform built on my patents and on our experience of more than 10 years to validate a businesses, clients or vendors. Typically, as a businessman, when you seek a loan or want some credit facility for your business, you have to go through significant due diligence. You have to provide huge amount of paperwork and also typically be examined from various angles. It is never easy to give credit. What you have to however understand is that when we are offering credit terms to our clients or giving advances to our vendors, we are actually investing in their business. We are mortgaging our property. We are putting at risk our family's future so that another business can benefit from our services or products. It is from a risk mitigation perspective, it is absolutely essential for you to make sure that your decision making process is 100% secure when you take these decisions. What we are encouraging you to do is to move beyond your gut feeling into a more scientific, robust way of validating your vendors and customers. As a part of our vendor and client verification process, we first of all begin with their KYC document verification because that is where most frauds start. So if a person has dubious records of filing data, filing taxes and all that, then you know that he is not somebody you can trust. We then go through their balance sheets, we go through their profit and loss accounts and other financials, validate it with what they have filed before different, whether the income tax department or the MCA and others, so that you know that the company is robust and that they are not presenting you a balance sheet or financial data that is very significantly different from what they have presented to the government. Then we go through their bank track record, we speak to their bankers and find out what is their credit limits, what is the kind of businesses they have been from a financial and banking point of view. That gives you a large insight about how reputation, what good business from a financial point, how strong this business is. We then look at the criminal history of the promoters, the organization, group companies and all that, because they might have done business elsewhere, another business may have gone kaput, and they might be trying to avoid litigation or action by borrowing from you and lending to that businesses. So we are trying to reduce your risk in from that perspective. We then go through the reputation checks because we would like to make sure that they are not having any other significant problems which may lead to arrest and confiscation of your property. Last but not the least, we look at their service track record, speak with their customers, vendors and other significant stakeholders so that you know that your risk of lending is pretty significantly reduced. At Resource, we know that you need to take business and credit risk. What we are trying to do is that we are helping you do your due diligence in a scientific manner so that you will be in a position, you know the reasons why you have taken the risk and the returns that you can expect from them, and you do not have any significant surprises when you lend to a business.